Assalamualaikum. I will have for you today chili oil, which is useful for your dumplings and any kind of soup like this. Here I have chili flakes, salt, sugar, and sesame seeds. And for our aromatics, we have Szechuan black pepper, garlic, ginger, black pepper, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon, and star anise. Here's our neutral oil, and we will going to infuse this oil with our aromatics. This is our infused oil, guys. We will going to pour this to our chili flake. Now we will pour it. And this is our chili oil, garlic oil. Enjoy it to your cravings, guys.